Hi guys, so today's video I'm going to be doing a collective haul. I picked some stuff up on Black Friday and just some other knickknacks all over, and I want to do a full collective haul. I've been amassing a lot of this stuff over time, so this wasn't like one big purchase, but I'm gonna start off with gym stuff. And what I've realized is during my whole gym weight loss journey, I've come to the realization now after 9 months of being in the gym that a lot of my gym clothes don't fit me like the way they used to. And I've also come to the realization that I have a very short torso, so a lot of the high-waisted gym clothes that I have to literally roll the waistband down because they're so tall and it literally hits me underneath my boob. So I've been kind of like transitioning out a lot of my gym clothes because they are too big now that I have lost a good amount of weight. I'm actually into the maintaining of my weight at this point. I don't want to lose any more weight. I want to maintain my body weight now. So I'm transitioning out a lot of those clothing pieces, and I also find that I'm getting a lot more comfortable in the gym as far as athletic wear because I'm more confident in my body. But anyways, let's get into it because I feel like I'm talking too much. And a lot of the stuff that I got is from Amazon. You guys know I'm an Amazon girly. I love Amazon. I don't know if it has to do with the instant gratification that my things come to me in like 1 to 3 days, and also influence. I follow a lot of fitness women now that I'm truly into fitness, and a lot of them buy their stuff off Amazon, so I'm influenced a lot of the time to buy stuff because of the people that I watch, and not only watch on YouTube but also follow on like Instagram and stuff like that. So the first thing I got is this right here, and I got this in a large. I definitely could have gotten a medium, but I wanted room to breathe because this is going to be my sprint. So I do a lot of sprint training. I don't know if it's because I used to do track, but I do a lot of sprint training. So I have a day that I do abs and cardio, and I bought this for my cardio day, and I love it because it's shorts, but it also have leggings, and your girl has some thick thunder thighs and I'm never gonna get rid of them. It's in my genes, my family trait basically. And when I do sprint training, I can't really wear shorts because my legs rub together, so I like wearing long pants on my abs and cardio day. And I feel like this is cute and it's just different than anything that I've ever seen anybody wear on social media or in the gym in real life. So I think this is a go-to. And then if you've been on TikTok for any time and you follow a lot of the fitness girls on there, you know that they swear by a Rolo. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but a Rolo is a gym brand that is really big and it's like one of the best sellers on Amazon. And I got their black leggings and it's scrunch, but if you guys know me, you guys would know that I'm like a very minimal color girl. When I just started the gym, now that I'm getting more confident and comfortable in how I look and my body transformation, obviously I'm adding more color, but I still love me a good neutral. So I love black, grays, and dark blues and dark greens. And as you can see, I bought something that's pink, so yeah. And then I also got this. This is, I don't remember the brand, but I seen it on Amazon. Once I bought those Arolo pants, not pants, leggings. Once I bought those Arolo leggings, these popped up on things I might be interested in, and I got them. I love the fact that they are tie-dye. It's in a gradient color. It's actually gonna make your waist look snatched and look really good, and it also have scrunch butt. I am definitely one of the scrunch butt leggings girlies. I feel like they make your body look really good, and they're super nice, especially how they make them. So this is a shorts version. And then I bought a top, and then this top is a sports bra, and it has the back open like this, and it actually comes with padding in there that's removable. And I got this in a medium. And if you guys know me, I've always said the only places that I want muscles is in my back and in my belly. So I'm working on getting the back abs and the belly abs, but that's all the gym stuff I got, and those are from Amazon. The next thing I got is from a black owned brand, and I made it a mission for me personally to shop a lot of black owned brands, especially the things that I've had on my wish list for a while. And as you guys can see, like my Hanifa stuff that I'm going to show you in a minute, I've had this stuff on my wish list to get for a while, so finally bit the bullet and bought them. But the first thing I got is these pants. And these are from 1130. It's from Tierra Monet here. She does YouTube, but she owns a boutique. And I got these pants in a medium. What I will say is I wish I got these in a small. These are super forgiving. I love the front detailing. The back is a nice elastic waist, which is why I could have gone down to a small. And the legs, I love the fact that I can wear the legs like this, like really boyfriend style, but it comes with two strings. If I can find them, yeah, they're right here. It comes with two strings that I can strap around the legs and make it kind of like tighter. So I love the versatility. I love the acid wash. And I'm probably gonna have to get these altered, but I don't mind because these pants are super duper unique, and I'm sure I'm probably never going to see anyone in these unless you're like super hip. And I actually pre-ordered these and they came. Absolutely love them. Amazing. I will say you can definitely go down a size in these if you're going to order them. And I feel like those pants from 1130, if you're a person that wants the Adico jeans but $1,000 is like out of your budget, it's too much, I feel like those jeans actually give you the same vibe, the same look, without the price point. And you're also supporting a black owned brand if you want some unique, like different type of jeans, really. And then I got these from Pink Plastic. I don't know if I mentioned these in a video before, but or if I actually showed it on, but I'm gonna mention this again. This was also a pre-order, and this skirt is from Pink Plastic, another black owned brand. And this skirt is super duper nice. I love the details on it. This can be styled so many different ways, which is another reason why I like it. I also love the army green. And I got this skirt in a large, and I'm glad I got this in a large. If I got a small, it probably wouldn't have fit, but yeah. Oh, I will say that my 11:30 pre-order shipping kind of took a long time. I think it took like over a month for those to come in, but they were a hot selling item. The size that I wanted also was constantly being sold out. So, and those are custom order. Those are custom jeans, which I like a lot. I got over some Hanifa pieces, and I've been dying to get my hands on some of her pieces. Her pieces are all, look like they're super high quality, and they're just versatile. And I got my hands on 2 pieces during her Black Friday sale. I think it was 35% off, and I will say everything was worth it. So I got this 2-piece set. This material is super duper heavy, so if you're in a colder climate, like, this is going to be perfect to layer or perfect to keep you warm. The knitwear of this is amazing, and I actually went down. I got a small and it fits amazing. I thought the pants wasn't going to fit because the waist of this pants is super duper tight, but the rest of it is loose and nice, so the waist is going to snatch you in, and it looks amazing on. I'm happy I got a small in this, and now that I've ordered from her, I know my sizing and know what to get. I love the fact that it's a 2-piece set, and I can wear the pants by itself and the top by itself, or I can wear it as a set, and I can wear the pants by itself or the top by itself, or I can wear both of them together. I love the top. I can also wear the top as a cardigan, and I love the color. As you guys can see, I've been incorporating a lot of color into my wardrobe, and some higher quality pieces into my wardrobe also. And it comes with a extra button, which I can appreciate. The quality of this is worth every penny, and everything. Okay, this will probably last me a lifetime, and I can pass this on to my daughter or something, because that's how good of the quality this is. And then the next piece that I got from Hanifa is another set, but this is a skirt set. It comes with a button down top, which I like. It's super versatile, and I live in Florida, so the short sleeves are going to do me well. I can wear this like with a nice corset and put this over top to be more conservative, or I can just wear it as a top with some jeans, and it's going to look super nice. And I also love the color a lot, orange. And then I got skirt. So the skirt looks like this, and it has 2 pockets and a slit at the side. And I will say that I got this in a medium, and I definitely could have gotten a small, but because this is a skirt and it looked like more of a mini skirt online, I didn't want it to be too short, because you guys know me, I don't like mini stuff. I'm a midi to maxi length type of girl when it comes on to dresses and skirts, but I definitely could have gotten away with a small in this. So if you're my size, you can get away with a small in Hanifa's item. And I will say the quality on this is equally as amazing. And now that I've gotten stuff from her, I think that I'm definitely going to be purchasing some more stuff. I also have my eye on Funmi the Label. That's also another black brand, which I have my eyes on, and I think they also have a sale going on. The pieces are absolutely amazing and the quality is amazing, so definitely support a black owned brand. I've been making that a priority lately. So what else did I get? So we're gonna jump into accessory. So I picked up 2 Dezi sunglasses also on Black Friday. I wanted to try her brand for a while, but didn't know what glasses to get. So I picked up 2 on Black Friday when they were having their 20% off sale. And what I will say is her glasses are definitely of quality. I don't remember what this one is called. I will leave the name on screen, but this is how it looks. And this is nice, heavy, and I think it's worth it. And I don't know why I got like 2 similar eyeglasses. The shape is super similar on both of them. I don't know why I did that, but I guess that's what I was liking. And then these are the other ones. One thing I will say is with her packaging, I absolutely don't like when brands put their names on the outer brown box of their packaging, because if people know what's inside or know of the brand or know the brand, they will be inclined to steal your items. And then when this was delivered, they just left it in the walkway. It wasn't even delivered on the porch or anything. So I don't like when brands do that at all, because if people know the brand and know what it is, they're going to try to steal it. That's the only thing I would say with these, but I definitely think they're worth it. They're definitely high quality items. And then went on TikTok and saw the girlies talking about these sunglasses off Amazon. Amazon live rent free in my brain, I guess. And these are some dupes for the famous Loewe super expensive $400 glasses that everybody have been wearing, and I got them in white. I will say that these, the quality of these, absolutely insane, absolutely amazing. And these were under $10, and these are heavy. These have some weight to them, similar weight to my Dezis. I got them in white, and they also came with a dust bag, which I like a lot because sunglasses tend to get scratched up all the time. And then I actually wanted them in black, but the black was sold out. And then these are the other ones. These are the red ones. They look absolutely amazing. I have no complaints, and I definitely think these are worth it. The quality is amazing on these, and these actually have some weight to them, which I can appreciate a lot. I'm probably gonna go back and get the black ones, because the black ones are the ones that I really wanted, but it was sold out. But I'll link these because they're worth it. And the fact that they're a dupe and they're spot on and they're also high quality, amazing. So this purse is cream with gold hardware, and this is from Sona Bella. It's absolutely amazing. Love the shape. The shape is why I got it. So I love the fact that you can carry it, and you also have a long body strap, and you can take it off and put it on as your heart desire. But the shape of this bag is why I got it, and it was super affordable. I think I got this for $50 or $70 when they were having their sale. And I'm gonna do a whole in-depth video of these bags, so I'm not gonna go into too much detail right now. I'm definitely gonna film that video right after. And then I got this one, and this is from JPE. No, not JPE, it's JWPEI.com. And this is how it looks. The texture of this bag is definitely why I bought it, and also the shape. I feel like adding this to any outfit is like going to give it a pop. And I love the color. I've been loving green and incorporating more color into my wardrobe, so I love that. And this was also super duper affordable, amazing. Like I said, I'm gonna do in-depth review of all these, so which is why I'm not going into too many details about them. And then the last bags I got are from Brandon Blackwood. If you guys know anything about Brandon Blackwood, he is of Jamaican descent. He is a man in fashion, and he makes some of the best bags. So I have a trunk from him, and I saw that he was re-releasing the End Systematic Racism bag. These were some bags that he originally came out with, and he stopped making, and now he improved the quality of them, and he is reselling them. And these were also under $100, and I got two of them. I got this brown one with silver hardware, and I got it because I love what it says on here. I was actually gonna get a Michael Kors bag that is similar in shape and style to this. If you follow me on Instagram, I would have showed them side by side, but wanted to support it. I wanted to support a black owned brand, and I love the message on these bags. So, and it says End Systematic Racism. So that's the brown. And I only have one brown bag, and it's a clutch, and it's brown and silver, which is why I got that in a crossbody, and it's brown and silver, and my clutch is in brown and gold, I should say. And the next one I got is this pink, amazing pink color, and this is with pink and gold hardware, and I love it. This would also look absolutely amazing with my Hanifa two-piece set, and I feel like I would definitely wear them together. But this is the next bag I got, and this leather feels amazing. So those are all the stuff that I have accumulated and bought over time. If you guys want to see an in-depth review of all the purses, I'm going to film that, so stay tuned for that because they're super affordable. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. Make sure I'm not having any nip slips on camera, darling.